Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Roshni Dhar. Let's look at today's top health news. UP consumers cannot buy more than 1 unit of cough syrup. Consumers will no longer be able to buy more than 1 unit of codeine-based cough syrups in Uttar Pradesh following orders issued by the Food and Drug Administration Department. Codeine, a medical derivative opium, is a prodrug used to treat pain, coughing and diarrhea. Almost all kinds of cough syrups contain codeine. As per the order, company reports agents can store any packaging of codeine-based cough syrup but sell only 500 units of the same. Wholesalers, on the other hand, can store 1000 units of the syrup but sell not more than 100 units of the formulation. Retailers will be able to store not more than 100 units of the same and sell only one to the single customer. The same order also regulates sales of high-intensity painkillers like those based on compounds like tramadol, pentazocine, buprenorphine along with antidepressants. That's all for today. Stay safe.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe and press the bell icon.